How to activate sensors with the handheld activator. Place sensors at the top left position of the handheld activator. Remove all the rest of sensors more than 1 meter away from the handheld device. Press the power button on the handheld activator. Press the light button. Press the activator button. The screen shown at the top is the battery voltage of the sensor at 3.2 V, and the below is sensor ID. Like this, it complete the sensor activation. When you need to activate the next sensor, remove the activated sensor more than 1 meter away from the handheld device. Next, press the activator button to activate the next sensor. Activating, please wait a moment. The screen shown at the top is the battery voltage, and the below is sensor ID, too. Different sensors will show different ID.